Hey guys, it's Barrett here. Today I'm going to be installing some clear headlights on my 2016 GMC Sierra Denali 2500. I'm going to be showing you guys how to throw them in there. As you guys can see, I have these stock ones with this big orange reflector, which I absolutely hate. So the new ones are all clear. So we'll be doing away with that. You're going to start off by taking off this front plastic shroud. There are all these little clips. You can see I got some of them started. You're just going to take like a little prick or like a flathead screwdriver and just get underneath them and kind of pry up, get them started, and you can pull them out. Alright guys, and now that we have that cover off, we need to remove our grill. So there's going to be 4 bolts. I believe they're 10 mils. And then there's a bunch of clips. Once you have those 4 bolts out, you should just be able to pull and pop the grill out. And I did check, it is in fact a 10 mil. So now that we got the grill removed, we're going to be taking out this little painted trim piece. So you got to be super careful. It feels like you're going to break the clips, but you're not. I think they're pretty sturdy. I don't think you can break them, but there's always a possibility, so be gentle. There's a 10 millimeter bolt holding this piece in. I took that out, and then there's going to be a 7 mil right here that I took out, and that just lets you pull this out just a hair so you can fish that piece out. And you're going to start from inside and just slowly pry. I'm going to get a prick and stick it inside there, and you're basically trying to lift this up and out like so. You're just going to want to work your way across, slowly prying this out. As you can see, these holes kind of go up and over those clips. So you kind of just want to lift and pull out away from you. Just work your way around, being super careful. Once I got a decent amount of the way across, I also pulled from the back, and you can kind of just pull it out. It came out fairly easy. The hardest part is some of the sticky stuff. I just had to peel off there. And then the piece that it was clipped to and kind of stuck to, you're going to want to pull that out as well. And then once you have this piece out, it was kind of a pain in the ass on the other side, which I already did, the passenger side. Mine slipped out fairly easy, but over here, I kind of had to pull and force it out. That's probably the hardest part of this whole thing. Well, I got a little carried away, but there's 4 bolts that hold the headlight. One here, and there's going to be one right there, right behind this piece, and there's also one more right here. You just pop. Once all those 4 are out, you can kind of twist the headlight like that. It'll come right out, and you can swap your bulbs, unplug the harness. Super self-explanatory. You can click your new headlight in, put this piece back, and then I'm going to throw the grill and that back on, and we'll see what it looks like. And here, guys, is the finished product. I think it looks so much better. Completely changed the front end of this truck. It's really good with the paint matched emblem. Really liking how this truck's sitting. Definitely need to get new tires here soon. These are just 33s, and as you can see, they are bald as can be. But anyway, guys, that's it for my video on how to install clear headlights on a 15 to 19 GMC 2500. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.